Driving this tractor trailer.
Yeah. Now I need your brake. Yeah. Other side, Trey, other side. Yo, what's up, gang? What up, gang? Hey, performance. Yeah, we're in a minivan. I told you we were gonna try to get back there. Trey, what up, gang?
This is the best part of having a car with 3 rows. Trey gonna tire back here.
Yeah, Trey, that's a spare tire.
Trey is gonna get in it.
Yeah. What up, gang? Why?
Cause I didn't know y'all gonna drive this.
I'm just like, we driving a scooter.
We driving our scooter. Sheesh. Boys. Okay. I already started this video, guys, because I honestly did not know how the fuck this thing comes out. So we are in the Odyssey right now. You saw last video, I revealed it to you. We are in the Odyssey, and it had the boring ass stock unit in here. You know we can't ride like that. So I got this nice Maxpeedingrods unit that I'm finally gonna be able to utilize. I've been had it. Huge shout out to Maxpeedingrods for not only supporting the channel, but being as patient as they have been. Been had this unit for months, guys, but I didn't have anything really that fit double D and stuff, because you already know the trap already has the the A7 Toto unit in it, which we still need to play with that some more. And so the truck can't adapt one of these, but I do have something coming for Rambo as well that will be in the upcoming video. But yeah, guys, the van could take one, and I'm trying to put it in, guys, but look at the crap that you got to take off in this van to put a CD player in it. Like, why didn't they make this the same way they did the CG? I mean, this is a 98, so this could have been made more like the CG, and like the 97s could have been like the CD5s or something, where you can just pop this shit out. I don't understand. Come on, Honda. Really though? Y'all really doing this right now? But anyway, trying not to let this stop me. So we got the old unit out. She's chilling up there. If anybody wants to buy it, shoot me a DM or something. It's more than welcome. You can have, I don't know, I never tested the CD player, but I do know this was working great. I mean, the radio played, and it's pretty cool. You can adjust the bass with the knobs and stuff. But yeah, time for an upgrade here, guys. So hopefully we can get this Maxpeedingrods unit to fit in to the dash. I did buy a dash kit. Says it'll fit this car. I don't know, guys, but it's got Odyssey here from 95 to 04, which is, this is a 98, so we should be golden. The plug does look like it's gonna work. So this is a, there must be a difference, I guess, but this is a 97, 98 plug or some shit. It's a little different, but it does look like the same one that's right there. So we should be good there. I think what I want to do before I even try to adapt this dash kit, I want to plug this in and just see this unit. If it turns on, we'll be cooking, guys. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So she's plugged in now, boys. We're gonna turn the key on. See what we get. Okay. Finally, you know, a little action here. But yeah, she is on. I'm gonna let this thing fully boot up. I don't know. I know I don't want to be taking this radio in and out. This thing is hell right here, so I gotta get this thing right completely before we actually check that out, boys. That's freaking sweet. We have a GPS here that will read your speed and everything, so this thing's gonna be freaking awesome. This isn't a sports car. What I would like to end up doing in the future, maybe, I'm gonna test it out good in here though. Maybe in the future, we can install one of these into the turbo car, because you know the CV7 does have the wide opening, so we could actually put a double D in there, and maybe we'll do that. We do have the Bluetooth in there as well, so we should be able to link with the ECU and pull up like the entire display, which would be pretty cool. So, but that's again something we'll try in the future. Right now, this van needs some music. Maxpeedingrods has a head unit here. We're gonna try it out, see how we like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some more of these accessories through on. I do got another cable here for I guess 2 more aux ports. I mean 2 more USB ports. So I'm gonna try to connect this and run it out toward the glove box, just in case we need 2 more other than these 2 on the front. And yeah, we'll just continue on, guys, and hopefully we can get this thing fully functioning and play it a little bit before this video is over. There it is, guys. I quit filming because this was a complete pain. It is not in there with any type of kit. The entire kit's laying right here. It just won't work with this unit because I don't know if it's because of the dash kit that I bought, because I did buy the only one they had, and this says it'll work, but it's only for a single den. They don't have the pieces that normally come for the double dens. Like in my trap, it comes with kind of it pieces that looks like this, but they're like a lot wider, and that allows you to bolt directly to the side of the wider head unit, and then it'll then bolt to like a face of some sort or whatever. But guys, honestly, I think the best scenario for so far that I've seen for a double DN unit is the CG Accords, because those factory brackets that hold that CD player in actually bolt up to a double DN unit, so you don't even need to buy an aftermarket kit. All you really need is the plug to wire it up. That being said, guys, this unit only has 4 screws in it. The Maxpeedingrods unit only has 4 screw holes, and there's just there's no way to mount it to this Odyssey dash. Now, I don't know if any of you watching have had one of these before or not, the Honda Odyssey, the older one, the first generation like I'm in right now. But if you have, you'll know that this thing has no mounting points at all. Like the factory radio, which is big block right here, when I took the dash out, like this part right here, I guess that may have been how it was in there. It's like some kind of like, well, it might just been crap from over the years, but it was kind of just stuck into the dash. So basically, when I took all of this stuff apart up here, all I had to do was push this from the back, and this whole unit slid forward out of that, and it allowed it to come out. So I don't know, guys. This thing, none of this, like on the side, these holes here that are normally used to mount it to whatever structures behind the dash, none of these were utilized in this Odyssey. So I don't know if that's just mine. Maybe someone went in here, maybe they didn't. This looks to be the factory unit, man. I don't know if anybody actually went in there or not, but that is all I had to mount to. So that being said, I had to break out the old drill and a drill bit, and the factory bracket that goes on each side, I just drilled a hole. It's just one hole that holds the unit in there, and it's in there good. I mean, it's not moving, but that was the only way I could do it. None of this stuff fits around it, so now I have this gap kind of around the unit. It's in there. It's in there, guys, and it works. Now I figured out that the door speakers are crap, so now we're gonna have to go find some aftermarket door speakers, see how bad these door panels are gonna be. We're gonna have to pull these off and replace them. I at least want to do the 2 front doors for now anyway, and then we'll just move on from there. But guys, we got a head unit in here now, and what I did, you know me, I'm gangster, so I didn't put the 2 screws back that kind of go up in these sides. The reasoning behind taking all of this stuff out, so now I just popped it loose, but I can now literally just pull my whole unit out just like this. So because I didn't want to, that's too much, man. You have to take all of this crap off all the way around, drop the whole glove box. That's just too much crap just for 2 screws. And these clips right here, they'll hold it plenty strong. I mean, I'm not doing any launches or anything in this van, so that'll hold it plenty strong, and it makes it a lot more versatile, because down the road when we do like subs and amps and stuff like that, we're gonna have to snatch this out multiple times. If we keep this unit in here, we're gonna have to snatch this out to switch stuff around or whatnot if we change the unit. But I mean, it's just an easier way for me. I like being able to get to stuff whenever I need to work on. I don't like having to get a whole bunch of screws and stuff back out, and it pops right into place, so I'm happy with it. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. Now, if you are interested in one of these units and would like to try it for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. Use code DFSQUAD at checkout to save when you purchase. But yeah, guys, with that being said, the Odyssey now has a working aftermarket radio. I gotta play with it some more and really get the features down packed, but this thing is like basically a freaking phone, which I don't know how I feel about that yet, but I mean, it's just like a phone, guys. It's crazy. I am ready to try out maps, so that's gonna be pretty freaking sweet to be able to use it and not have to burn my phone up like while traveling. So that's gonna be pretty sweet. But yeah, like, check this out, bro. This thing is, yeah, that's what this is what I'm hoping I need to get this type of stuff in my truck, guys, because like, you know, when we go pick vehicles up and stuff, I need my maps like on a big screen like this, where I don't have to mount my phone up somewhere and keep looking back and forth, keep the phone on charge. Like, this right here is what I need for my truck. So that's freaking sweet. Glad to have that. I mean, we probably will take some trips on this thing too. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's been pretty chill and laid back, but yeah, I just really wanted to get this done today. It is raining, so yeah. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Smack the like button for me if you did find it somewhat interesting. I will catch y'all next time. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and respect our bills. Peace out.